Jumper T16 is not dead.
Yeah, I mean, honestly, guys, I'm kind of sad that's a lot of clickbait, I think, on YouTube for that. Yes, there are new radios out. Yes, the T16 is discontinued in favor of the T18.
Wait a minute.
Natural progression.
My 2016 car has been discontinued.
Well, yeah, it's 2020, bro.
Dang. That's basically the point we're trying to make. Yes, it's an older model. Yes, it's been, like Will said, not being in production. But no, it's still supported by Grayson Hobby and by Jumper.
Yeah, essentially the T18 Lite and the T16 are the same radio other than the ribbon cables, which guess what? We have new ribbon cables for. Jumper sent us some to send to you guys.
And to find out how to get them for free. That's right, free. No money cost to you.
What?
I gotta wait to the end of this shameless plug. If I'm valuing this video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, please help support GraysonHobby.com. Every little purchase helps. Either a pack of props, jumper radio, pack of glue,
half the store,
or our case of pallet of T18s. We have all the parts, the switches, the ribbons, the batteries, etc. all at GraysonHobby.com/jumper. Stay to the very end. We're gonna show you step by step how you get your ribbons for basically no cost. If you're in the Atlanta area, stop on by. We'll give you a set for free.
As long as you have your show number.
And as long as we have them in stock.
That's true.
If we don't have them, we can't give you to you for free. Probably now have a T16. You probably have read everywhere that the ribbon cables are probably the Achilles heel of the Jumper T16.
Yeah.
I haven't had any issues, and a lot of people haven't had any issues. But for those who have, Jumper has come through and come through strong. They have a new set of ribbon cables. Explain.
So the company that produced a quote-unquote dead radio went one step farther and created a part for a dead radio.
A fix?
To update. I mean, it literally is a reliability update, okay. I would say. These are upgraded ribbon cables from Jumper. They've created in a little bag. It's got all the little ribbons for the Jumper T16. Just looking at these guys, I've used ribbon cables in other industries before. These are definitely do look better quality, and where the contacts are, unfortunately, I didn't bring my digital caliper today because I didn't think these were going to be in as soon as they were. But just
they're thicker.
Eyeballing it, it looks thicker, so that's a tighter contact on the crimp. These are the newer ribbon cables, and that pretty much provided the whole set for you. And you'll be able to install these. Now, I did just test fitting one of these. It is actually a little tighter to get in there, so you are going to have to maneuver a little bit to get it in there, because it's a snugger fit, which is good. That means it's less likely to come loose, and as long as the contacts are made of better quality, thicker gauge, the strip of metal inside the copper, then it will conduct better, and it's less likely to have an issue from being dropped, thrown, set on, run over. Well, if it's run over, then your radio's screwed.
Okay, so how do I put the ribbons in my new ribbons in my ribbon cable?
The same way you put the old ribbons in the ribbon cable.
Well, guess what? There's a video on that one. We'll link it below, link it up here, all that stuff.
These little tabs are like PC boards. What you do, you don't pull them out. You underneath with something and pop them up. You can actually use your fingernail if you had a fingernail. It literally just pops. I don't know if you can see that.
Little white thing pops up.
This little hatch underneath here from the front. Literally come in here. Don't put any pressure on it like that, and you just literally underneath and up. Okay. And I don't know if you can zoom in on that, but if you look, it's actually tapered.
Hold on. Yep. All right.
So that part right there is actually tapered to get under and pop it up.
Okay.
Once it's up, you just slide the part out like that. Okay. All right. So this part right here, you're gonna line it up with the tab up still. Make sure the tab's up. Get there, and you don't have to force it. It'll go in. There you go. You get it in. It's about, the blue doesn't go all the way in. It gets a little bit farther than the end, and then push it down. For the little issues that would come up from the older ribbon cables, this should be the fix for it. Jumper sent them out, and for them to produce that many and send them out, and all you have to do is provide proof of purchase and a receipt. Actually, not even really a proof of purchase, just where you bought it and a serial number. Sorry, I got that wrong. But you'll be able to do that, and all you got to do is enter it on the site and submit it and order. Just pay for shipping.
Yep. All right, so now we're going to show you a step-by-step how to get them. Will, you want to drive?
All right, guys, you ready for the super secret this is top secret on how to get ribbon cables for your T16 that's not dead yet. We're breathing life in this bad boy. You ready?
Yes.
JP-115.
Wait a minute.
What? Enter.
Okay.
Gotta hit enter or click it.
Okay, so now what? This is the important part.
This is where the money's at.
So your serial number should be on the back of the radio. And you enter it in right there.
All right. Nobody use that number. That's mine.
We're going to have 20 come in with that number.
Probably.
Before you ask, no, we cannot put a stamp on them and send them out snail mail because that way you just can't do it.
Yeah, I mean, you're going to get a trackable shipping.
And a quality envelope.
Bubble envelope.
Is not going to get ruined. So don't even ask, don't even put in emails, don't put the comments. They'll get deleted and not responded.
And keep in mind, guys, Jumper sent these. We're charging a penny. We still have to pay someone to put these in boxes.
And we have to pay for the
we have to pay for the packaging, etc., the paper, the labels, etc., to get them to you guys.
Right. So if you don't want to pay the $5, come on down. We'll give you one for free. Hang out with us. Do whatever.
But keep in mind, small parts orders over 75, still free shipping. So if you want to add a couple parts, frame kit, whatever, this can go in that as well.
And the biggest thing is quantities are very limited. They'll be coming in like everything, like radios, in small batches.
Yes, we will hopefully be seeing some every couple weeks or so until we have so many that we don't know what to do but swim in these things.
All right, you hit the add to cart. There it is. Continue, view, whatever you want to do. Add more stuff to it.
Yeah, if you want to buy other stuff, you can. But other than that, boom, right there.
All right, that's about it. We thank Jumper for giving these to everybody. We'll thank them on behalf of everybody who flies.
I gotta give mad props. I mean, literally, they came out with a new radio, and then after a new radio was released, they came out with a free, essentially, upgrade or replacement part for their prior ones. I don't think you're gonna find that kind of warranty service from other
companies. Know if anybody has given out free parts.
I mean, if there was a recall, I guess this, in a way, I guess you could almost consider. No, I wouldn't say recall. I would say more of like
a service bulletin.
Don't even know what else to say about a ribbon cable, but they are here, limited quantities, first come, first serve, like always.
It's a ribbon cable.
One set per person initial batch.